Hello, Rams and Bolt Nation. Just a little shout out to Duntov. Wish it was sunny here like it is in Vegas. Alright, over here on the south side of SoFi, not much rain right now. Hopefully that'll hold up. Because today is Saturday. Yesterday there was a bit more rain in the afternoon and they had to put both of these cranes down. Now they are up and back to work here, despite, I don't know what percentage of rain is right now, but I do see a little bit of blue sky behind me. So that's good news for the stadium and the workers. Wow, look at that, you can see some lights here. Cool. And the roofing there on the performance venue. Alright, got some more things going on over here. Below where you can see that stairway. I just heard a horn. Oh yeah, something's being lifted over by the NFL building. Delivery of something. See this wall of the performance venue. Still got the green sheathing and this metal framing. There's a bird, seagull. One issue with this stadium, they're gonna have to implement some kind of bird abatement, you know. Although the stadium will have a roof, we do have these two big openings here on each side, this being the south and another one over the north end. I do notice a lot of seagulls, and then you're gonna have that lake somewhere in this area, and I just know you go to any little pond, park, there's birds there, and you probably have to have some full-time, I think they use those falconers, keep them birds out of there, as it might be a little embarrassing during game days if there's any bird interference during a game. And got a whole lot of storage area over here blocking some of the views. Can't quite tell what this stuff is on my viewfinder. Some sort of cylinders of something. backing up over here. Still no seats in this section. See some kind of scaffolding. Oh, got some guys up there. You can see ETFE, and it's wet. There is supposed to be some kind of a drainage system, like gutters. I don't know if that's in part of the install as of yet, but otherwise, this area here is below the American Airlines Plaza. They are doing a lot of flooring, concrete work out there. So I don't know if, you know, the rain's dripping down on that section. But as of right now, there is no rain, just cloudy, and just looks a little threatening, but pretty good here if we're just getting drizzle day after day, not any hard pounding rain. I think I see a guy up there. You can see some lighting there, kind of like emergency lighting. And some of the wet panels. Two of these trucks lined up. Hollywood Park. A little messy out here today. A little bit of work going on over here by these new fences. See some of the accumulation of rain underwater a little bit. No big deal. Up there we got the performance venue. Not sure what this is. HVAC building. Still in need of repair. So I get those internals fixed up, and then I can cover that back up with the cosmetics, the external cosmetics. Still see a marking over here. A little bit of the landscaping. A lot of native plants, or plants that are that conserve water. So we are in a kind of a desert state, California. See a pretty muddy mess here. See some tarped up areas, this upper level, and then the walkway down below. Got to take some precautions while we get through all this wet weather, which is expected to be around for quite a bit in this area, California. Usually about March we start getting into spring, weather-wise. And you got that other stairway, that's covered up as well. And then to the left of that, the canopy for the escalator. Not gonna have any welders out here today. The coverage is getting pretty much at least half, if not more. Looking really good. More and more ETFB. Have a totally enclosed roof, maybe in a month or so. We'll see. Well, I spoke too soon leaving the stadium. Of course, it's raining cats and dogs now, so they did get a couple panels up while I was there, and pretty sure they're probably done for the day now. I guess we're gonna be in this rain for a while. Should clear up on Sunday though.